Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to resolve app crashes in Picsart AI Editor. First of all, make sure you have the application installed in your phone. If it crashes, what you need to do is go to the settings option. Now look for apps. Over here look for your specific app. For example, in our case it's Picsart, so we have to go to P and look for it. Alright, it's over here. Click on it. Now at the bottom right, click on clear data and select clear cache, and then in the next term select clear all data. If in case the app still crashes, what you need to do is you need to simply uninstall the application and install again. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the subscribe button, as we are looking forward to hit 1000 subscribers. Thank you.